Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but check this out, you love changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is the best investment you can make cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but check this out, you love changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was